from the station working for you. This is WRTV News at 11, streaming now.
7 months into the COVID-19 pandemic, and Indiana has hit a record, the highest number of positive cases added to the state's total in a single day. You're watching the news at 11. I'm Mark Mullins.
And I'm Amanda Starrentino. Today, the State Department of Health reported more than 1,800 new COVID-19 cases. That is the highest single-day number since the pandemic began in March. And you can see in this chart the numbers trending upwards throughout the year. 4 of the highest single-day increases have all taken place in the last month.
Tonight, the Regents Chief Institute, which analyzes health department data, says positive tests, emergency room visits, COVID deaths, and hospital admissions are all increasing in Indiana. IU Health Ball Hospital is one facility seeing an increase in COVID-19 patients. WRTV's Cornelius Hawker is in Muncie tonight to show you what's behind that increase, and he's checking in with a shop that's struggling as the pandemic continues.
It's been a long 8 months for Morgan Roddy, owner of the Queer Chocolatier in Muncie.
My decision was to be as consistent and to listen to as many doctors and to the scientific reports as possible.
Closed since the start of the pandemic, she feels like it would be irresponsible to reopen because her chocolate shop is more than a sweet spot to hang out. It's a place where folks come for community.
Knowing that my space is primarily about caring for vulnerable populations, all of that led to me being more cautious about opening versus rushing to bring people back into the shop.
But Morgan tells me it's been hard. All the businesses around her are open.
I am isolated in this decision. It leads to me constantly questioning myself.
However, news of an all-time high of COVID-19 patients at IU Health Ball Hospital lets Morgan know she's doing the right thing for her business, and her community.
I don't think it's fair to just pursue being open without being a caring member of the community.
I would suspect it's people getting together with friends and groups and not wearing masking and not practicing good social distancing.
Dr. Michelle Cesana with IU Health believes that's what's leading to the increase of COVID-19 patients. And even though this is a college town, Dr. Cesana says this increase in cases is not linked to Ball State.
We're not seeing an increase in the college students, but more in the community members. Wear your mask, practice good social distancing, at least 6 feet apart.
Back at Queer Chocolatier, Morgan says they're going to stay closed for the foreseeable future. The business is staying open off of deliveries, and it'll be that way until the COVID-19 situation improves dramatically.
Would I have business if I opened that door? Yes. Would I be able to sleep at night? Not necessarily, because I think that there's still this risk.
Working for you in Muncie, Cornelius Hawker, WRTV.
IU Health says the age range of COVID-19 patients at Ball Memorial Hospital is between 55 and 70. And while they have enough resources right now, they want everyone in the community to do their part to turn this positive case trend around.